Hey everyone, welcome back to SebRauf. So today in this video, I will be helping you to fix the packet loss on your Valorant game in 2023. I will be sharing the complete and the most effective solutions, so make sure you do not skip any part and apply all of them so that you can get the best result. So without any delay, let's quickly get started. Now the very first thing that I would recommend you, that is still if you're using the Wi-Fi connection, then try to switch to the Ethernet and the LAN connection, because that will not only help you with the packet loss, but it will also increase internet speed and also reduce the ping and the latency. Okay, so first you have to try switching to the Ethernet connection. Next, what you have to do, you need to change the DNS server address. Okay, so for that, what you have to do, click on your Windows search, type ncpa.cpl, hit the enter key. Now this will list you all kind of your network adapter. Now you have to look for the one through which you are connected. If you're using the Wi-Fi, you have to do the same with the Wi-Fi. And if you're using the Ethernet, then you have to do the same with the Ethernet. So right click on it, choose properties. Then here you have to look for Internet Protocol version 4, double click on it. And now here you have to enter the DNS server address. But in order to find that which DNS server address will be best for you, what you have to do, click on your Windows search, type CMD, right click on command prompt, click run as admin, click on yes. Now we have two different options here. Either we can go with the Google or with the Cloudflare. So we will check the test and find out which is giving us the minimum ping. Okay, so we will type here ping. And first we will test Google, so for which the IP address will be 8.8.8.8 and hit the enter key. So now for the Google, you can see we are getting the ping of around 17 ms, that is the average of 17. Okay, so now we will also ping the Cloudflare. So type ping 1.1.1.1 and hit the enter key. Okay, and now we can see that for the Cloudflare, we are getting the 15. So that means we are getting the minimum ping for the Cloudflare. So we will proceed and use the DNS server address for the Cloudflare. But in case on your end, if you're getting the minimum ping on the Google, then you have to go with the Google. Okay, so for Cloudflare, I will choose the second option here. In the preferred, I will type 1, 1, 1 and 1. And in the alternate, I have to type 1, 0, 0 and 1. You will be getting both Cloudflare and the Google in the description. Click on OK and click on OK again. Now you can close it. Now again bring up your command prompt, and here we have to run few more commands. The first one will be netsh space int space ip space reset space c colon / resetlog.txt. Hit the enter key. Next one will be netsh space winsock space reset. And the last one will be ipconfig space / flushdns. Once all these commands are completed, you have to close it. Next, click on your Windows search, type network reset. Click on network reset, and here you have to click on reset now and then click on yes. Now keep in mind, after resetting it, you will have to connect your Wi-Fi again with your password, so make sure that you remember the password of your Wi-Fi. Okay, so once you're confirmed, you have to click on yes, and once it will be done, you have to close it. Now next, right click on the Windows icon, then from the suggestion you have to click on device manager. And you also need to make sure that your network and the graphic driver are up to date, or else you may have this kind of problem. First, you have to look for network adapter, double click on it. Now whichever you are using, like Wi-Fi, make a right click on it, click update driver, click search automatically for driver. And if there are updates available, kindly go ahead and update it. And if not, then you can close it. Do the same with the Ethernet or the LAN connection. Right click update drivers, click search automatically for driver. So if there are no update available, you can close it. Now after network, you have to look for the display adapter. So look for display adapter, double click on it. This will list you your graphic driver, whichever you are using. It can be AMD, Intel or Nvidia. So make a right click on it, click update driver, click search automatically for driver. Again, if there are update available, it will automatically update it. And if not, then you can close it. And now next, and in the final setting, you have to click on your Windows search. Type Windows Defender. From the suggestion, you have to click on Windows Defender Firewall. Then from the left-hand menu option, click on Advanced Setting. This kind of page will be up. Now here from the left-hand menu option, you have to click on Inbound Rules. Then on the right-hand side, you will find the new rule. Click on it. And this kind of box will be popping up. Now here you have to select the port option. Then you have to click on Next. Keep this selected to TCP. And in the specified local port, you have to type this port number that you will be getting in the description. So simply copy it. Then come to here, then paste it. Click on Next. Click on Allow the connection. Next. Keep all these options selected. Click on Next. Now you can name it anything like Valorant Packet Loss TCP. And then you have to click on Finish. Now we also need to add the UDP rule. So again, click on Inbound Rules. On the right hand side, click on New Rule. Click on Port. Next. This time select UDP. And in the UDP, you have to type this code that you will be getting in the description. Paste it, hit the Next. Keep this to allow the connection. Click on Next. Keep this option checked. Click on Next. And then you can name it as Valorant Packet Loss UDP. Click on Finish. Now you can close it. And now you have to simply restart the computer, restart your modem or router. And after that, next time when you start the Valorant game, just make sure that you close all the other applications that are running in the background. Let's say while playing the Valorant, you don't use the Google Chrome browser, then go ahead and close it from the task manager. So that's all what you have to do. And I'm very sure that after applying all these changes, you will find the changes and the packet loss problem will now be fixed. So that's all guys for today, and hopefully you will find this video helpful. And if yes, do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.